Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is the all-new Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8. It is essentially an iterative upgrade over the Onyx Studio 7 with some improvements that I really like, including this new color finish which they call it the champagne color, and here's what you need to know about it. Now, like other tech companies out there, Harman Kardon is also doing some sustainability efforts on its products, which is why the Onyx Studio 8's mesh speaker grill is made out of woven from recycled polyester yarn, which is a really nice effort from Harman Kardon, and you definitely wouldn't find it cheap at all, as it feels pretty much the same like the Onyx Studio 7 speaker grill. Now on the top, you find 5 physical buttons as usual, with the exception of the last one being different from the Onyx Studio 7, and that's because the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8 now features a built-in microphone for phone calls. Now that is definitely something that a lot of people have been asking for, because the Onyx Studio series speakers are so good when it comes to sound quality that it can totally become a conference speaker. So if you put this into a conference room, this is going to look very nice on the meeting table. Now, this button here is now a phone button, which is used for answering phone calls and also as well as changing music tracks by just double tapping or triple tapping for next and previous respectively. And on the back here, there's another change, which is the power port. The Onyx Studio 8 now features a built-in power supply, so there's no need to carry a separate power brick of sorts. All you need to do is to just plug in any 2-pin cable connector and it will charge the speaker. Now, a lot of things remains unchanged about the Onyx Studio 8 as opposed to the Onyx Studio 7. And this time, Harman Kardon seems to have fit some sensors into the speaker for it to identify the environment that it is in. So let's say, for instance, this speaker is laid against the wall, it will actually detect that there is a wall that's behind and it will project sound accordingly to an entire room. Now, due to this self-sound tuning feature, there is definitely a notable improvement when it comes to its sound quality. I do realize that the vocals are slightly brighter this time, and the soundstage is greatly improved over the Onyx Studio 7. So we are going to do a sound test right now, so make sure you put on your headphones from this point onwards. Another improvement that Harman Kardon has done on the Onyx Studio 8 is to include Bluetooth 5.2. So we can connect 2 devices onto the speaker at the same time, which one you can be used for phone calls and the other one can be used for music playback. And they switch automatically whichever sound source that it is playing, and it is really great. The Onyx Studio 8 also features a multicolor LED lighting system that tells you the status of the speaker. Now, previously it's only either white or orange for charging, and now when you go into pairing mode, it shines in blue color, and if you're in a phone call, it goes into green color, so that you know the speaker is actually on a phone call, so you don't actually talk something to anyone, you know. So it's actually really convenient right now that it has this multicolor LED status indicator. Now that I've mentioned a fair bit of good things about this speaker, it's time to talk about the bad things. This speaker unfortunately still isn't splash resistant, so if you intend to use it by the bathtub or by the pool, you gotta watch out for water because it is not splash resistant. Another thing would be its battery life. Even though it remains the same like its predecessor at up to 8 hours, I wish Harman Kardon could have just added another 2 or 3 hours to just make it like a nice upgrade. Because you know what? This speaker is actually a little more expensive right now. So as opposed to the Onyx Studio 7, the Onyx Studio 8 now costs 1,299 ringgit in Malaysia, which is 200 ringgit more expensive than its predecessor, and the updates that you're getting is just this iterative. But regardless, this is still a very nice portable speaker from Harman Kardon. It sounds really good, and I really love the sound quality that it produces. Alright, so that's all for my review of the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8. Let me know what you would like to know in the comment section down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. And by the way, this speaker is actually on sale at our e-store at Good Deals by KLGG, so make sure to head over to the link in the description to find out more. As for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.